Hey guys, it's Emme,
Maddie, Elle,
and today we're gonna have a burping contest.
ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I can't do.
I'm not very good at this.
There, beat that.
Move. Ready? Just beat it. I just beat it. Here goes Madison. Whoa.
Beat that. I don't do this often.
We always have burping contests off camera. Puked. Yeah, we did it on our trampoline, and she puked.
Oh!
It feels good burping this much.
I can't. I feel one.
Emme, you have to like go like this. You have to go.
Oh my god, my birthday's in 10 weeks. I can feel one. It's brewing up.
He's awake. She's like, man, I'm getting my butt kicked by 2 girls. Can't burp no more.
Watch, once we turn off the camera, I'm going to do the loudest one. I don't want to drink any more pop. That's disgusting. Hey, look quick. Look. Can you see my scar? Can you see it?
Uh-huh. That's right.
Yep. And it goes down to
Right
here.
there. Can you guys hear this?
Oh, I'm gonna make myself poop. I'm grunting so hard. I think I might throw up.
Toilet Madison.
You know what? I have to step out. I'm gagging.
Oh. Okay. Wait, is that one coming out? Earring. Okay,
I burped and I was in my room.
she went.
It wasn't a very loud one.
It wouldn't have been the winner. Mine's the winner so far. I went.
Alright, well guys, this is a long enough video of us just burping and being disgusting.
Okay, well, I just want to show you my nails.
And
Recommend
mine.
all pink. I'm trying to do something. All pink, 1 white, all orange, 1 white on your.
I knew I was saving it up.
The one between your middle finger and your pinky. This one right here. Okay, well, bye.
Okay.